All right, all right, all right. Let me get this shared out here. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy, what is today? Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. Let's take a look at news real quick. Take a little peek at news. We have new home sales coming out at 9 o'clock. Home sales at 9, and that is it the rest of the day. Trump later on, actually. Trump signing more in executive orders, and we have NVIDIA earnings. Interesting. Might get a little bit of volatility with NVIDIA earnings out. We'll see. We could either, it'll go one or two ways. We get volatility or we could just chop. We'll see. We'll see. Bo, good morning. Naif, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. We have about 3 minutes till market open. About 3 minutes. See if the Nasdaq can show a little bit of life today. It's been brutal. It's been absolutely brutal. The Nas has just been on this just cliff to the downside. It's been an absolute cliff. Got a little bit of strength on the overnight in London. Let's take a look here. On London, we have highs up there at 30.33. Asia lows at 200. So trying to get a little bit of strength on Asia and London, but we'll see how the New York Open plays out. because the NY sessions have been really brutal. Really brutal. About a minute and a half till market open. If you guys have not already, we got 14 in here. So let's smash that like button. Let's start the stream off right, and let's get some likes on the stream, like ASAP. It's a free way to support the channel. Helps the YouTube algos, pushes the live stream a little bit more. So do me a favor and drop a like. I'll greatly appreciate that. Got about a minute till market open. 1 minute. Post said, smash a like button, just don't use a hammer. Yeah, you might need a new mouse. Might have to take a trip to Best Buy. 20 seconds until market open. Remember, I got home sales at 9, Trump later this morning, and NVIDIA earnings at the close. So it could be a little bit of a wild ride. Could be a wild ride. Market's open. Market is open for business. Immediately coming down to Asia's low here. Immediately coming down to Asia's low and testing it. G-Man, good morning. Mr. Bond, good morning. Good morning. All right, so we swept Asia low. Swept Asia low. Got a little bit of a buy up out of it. Mike, good morning. A little bit of buy up after sweeping Asia. Buying all the way back up, actually. It's interesting. Nas trying to catch a bid after sweeping Asia like that. Back down to retest Asia's level. All right, retesting Asia. See if we get pushed back below, it'll probably come back down lower. Definitely eyeing, if we get more bearish and we can sweep Asia again, definitely eyeing the 140s here. Otherwise, if we can continue to hold Asia and move higher, probably could see it move back to VWAP. Right now, Asia low is kind of acting as a strong area of support. Still holding Asia's. Still holding Asia low. Until we don't. What up, Josh? Good morning. All right, coming down. We did sweep lower a little bit here. Caught a bid. Asia low is acting as a strong area here. Really watching this. Chat, I'm going to take a long off Asia's low here. See if we can get a move up higher. Asia low has been holding for the most part. I'm going to keep a tight stop, though, because I don't want this thing reversing on me and going back even lower. So I have a tight stop down at the lows here. There we go, getting a move higher. It's going to be a quick scalp. I'm not going to take very much on this. We are bearish a little bit here. Coming down. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and just take that off. I'm not gonna hold that just because, one, I'm looking at some liquidity levels that are actually lower, and I changed my mind. I'm gonna take that off. I also just realized that I fat fingered that into minis. Holy moly! I just fat fingered 5 minis, chat. Yeah, gonna get out of that. I meant to get into 5 micros, and I got into 5 minis, chat. Oh, that's how today is starting off. That's how today is starting off, chat. Oh no, bro, we can't do that. Closed early. Chat, look, 5 minis. I fat fingered 5 minis, chat. Wow, wish I would have held it though. Holding that would have been nice. Holding that would have been nice. Golly. Oh no. Chat, we can't be doing that. Could have been done for the trading month. I could have been. Holy shit. Oh no. I can't be an accidental trader though. As much as I would have loved to have held that, I can't be an accidental trader. I just can't. Because it could have very well like did the exact opposite and ran completely against me. Whew. All right. That was scary. Chat, that was scary. I'm not gonna lie. My heart is like thumping at the moment. That about gave me a heart attack. I mean, I thought about taking some off and just like writing one mini, but I saw the liquidity lower, and then I couldn't do it. I couldn't bring myself to do it because I don't know. Too many times have I fat fingered a trade and been an accidental trader and held it and stayed in it, and then it absolutely destroyed my account. Like I've done it multiple times. So I can't do it. I just can't. Carly, my heart is still just like pounding right now. Jazz, is that my sign to not trade my fundeds today? Tricks on Celsius? No, bro. Trust me. I'm good now. I'm good. I am good. I don't need an energy drink after that. Jeez, bro. Damn, now it's coming all the way back down. Nas coming all the way back down. Chad, I don't think you realize how scared I just got. I don't think you guys realize how scared I just got. That was terrifying. What up, Ismail? Why? What happened? Oh, you missed it? Dude. I meant to get long 5 micros and I got long 5 minis. It hit my target. I was targeting VWAP. I had the right trade. Literally, I was getting long 5 micros to target VWAP. And yeah. So my trade was absolutely correct. I closed it. I closed it early. I was basically break even when I closed it. I was only down like 150 or so. I wasn't gonna hold it because it could have very well went against me, and I'm not down to be an accidental trader. Better to just click flat and never hope it goes in favor. Yeah, I mean, dude, I've done that a few times, and I've hoped that it went in my favor, and it smacked my account. Yep, never a good thing. Garav, bro, what's going on? About to have a heart attack. That's what's going on. Now it's just kind of consolidating here. Not really doing anything. We've had some big moves up and down, but we're just kind of consolidating at the moment. $2,800 on that big catch on that win. Nice. Oh yeah, you're trading the 300Ks. Nice. Nice. It's like the Nas trying to catch a little bit of a bid back up to VWAP. Giving VWAP a little bit of a tap there. See if we can push through VWAP. I'd like to see the Nas get bullish today. Just get us back in the green, you know what I mean? Let's put some green. Nas needs to put some green on the board. I was trying to get up there. Price is very, very jumpy today. Very jumpy. This is one of those days where you see profit, you take profit. Very jumpy price action. We are trying to hold above VWAP though. Nas can run, what is this, 65? Could get some good movement up. Needs to run that 65 and hold above it though. Really the 70s, honestly. Hold the 70s, we can probably get a move. Trying to get up there. Use my fund of futures. I use TopStep X and Tradeify. Still trying to hold above VWAP. TopStep X is TopStep's platform. All right, now it's trying to catch a bid. Now it's pushing into the 90s. Working its way up. Work its way up to these highs up here. What is that? Is that London? We got London high up here? Yeah, we got London high. We could be trying to go up to take London high, actually. We do that. I mean, we really don't have anything slowing us down until like 361. We take London high. Just made 1.3K in gold. Nice. Man, I really did like when I fat fingered those 5 minis. I really did like that long. I mean, we swept Asia low and we held it and we continued holding Asia low. And now look where we are. Like, that's such a good trade. Sweep Asia's liquidity and rip straight out of it. Such a good trade. Now at this point, I'm kind of just waiting until we get to London high. Let's see what we do there. At what point are you ending a trade? Got battered before, but long for all it's worth now. Nice. Well, I've already entered a trade. I took a trade off of a sweep of Asia's liquidity and holding it and reversing out of it. I meant to take 5 micros, but I accidentally took 5 minis. And so I got out of the trade just in case it went against me. But it would have been a great trade. We probably would have been trailing this. Looking like we're going to go take London highs up here. London highs look doable. With that said, my TradeFi accounts are done for the day. TradeFi accounts are done. We close it out, and we're switching to Top Step X now. Going to Top Step X for the rest of the day. We got news soon, yeah. Coming out here in about 3 minutes. We have home sales. Yep. U.S. home sales. Oh, you guys can't even see that. Nice. There, now you guys can. We got home sales coming out right here. 9 o'clock. We do also have Trump. Trump coming out at 10. Trump and Musk attending a cabinet meeting. And then Trump signing more executive orders. And then we have NVIDIA earnings after the close. Who's long NVIDIA after close? Look, my Roth, I'm loaded with NVIDIA, but those are long-term holds, so I really don't care what it does after earnings. If it dips all the way down to 100, I'm gonna load up more. I'll load up more NVIDIA if it dips all the way down to 100. Got news coming out in 1 minute. Nice clean bounce off VWAP here. For all the VWAP traders. It's a nice clean bounce. All right, news is out. See if anything happens. Up 8K. Jesus, dude. Are you trying to pass a 300K eval? What's the profit target on that? I don't even know. Isn't it like 20 something thousand? If I remember right, like, yeah, 20K, yeah. Where are you at on it now? Up 8K, that's nice. Jazz, it still feels like we want to go take London. $300K eval equals slot machine. That's one of their hardest to pass. That intraday drawdown is a killer on that 300K. $7.5. OD, top of the morning. What's up? The fact that it doesn't stop trailing in the end. Wait, it doesn't stop trailing in the eval? It should after you reach a buffer, right? Yo, that's wild. The trailing doesn't stop on the 300K. That's actually kind of insane. It makes it a lot harder. Only in PA. I really am considering loading up like 20 Apex evals. I'm gonna stick to the 50Ks though, because they're like the easiest to pass and just try to go for like a quick payout with Apex or something. All right, now it's trying to go higher. We are testing London's high. Well, the range of London's high. 328 would be the high up there for London. Right? Let's see. Sorry, no. 333 would be the London high. Right here. Looking like we're going to go grab it. Would have passed 350K by now with these profits? Yeah. Yeah. He would have. Chat, we've been going higher here, but man, it's been like kind of like choppy higher. Like it's just so bouncy. The trading guy, what up? Good morning. Guys, if you have not already, smash that like button. Helps me out a ton. It's a free way to support the channel. Costs you nothing but a little bit of exercise in the thumbs. Or the pointer finger if you're using a mouse. Also, the accounts I am trading today are Tradeify, which I am done with Tradeify accounts today. But Tradeify and Take Profit, if you want 30% off Tradeify, code JAM. Also, Take Profit's 50% off, and they don't have a daily loss limit. No daily loss limit and 50% off on Take Profits with code JM. Oh, now it's coming down a little bit here. Couldn't quite go up and claim London high. Coming back down to VWAP. Pretty decent move here. On this 5-minute candle, that's 30.5 minute. Coming back down to VWAP. Now do we sell off or do we keep going higher here? Part of me thinks we have an inside day. Like we don't have a whole lot happen, but we'll see. What a bounce off VWAP. Jeez. What a freaking bounce off VWAP. Trying to go up. Possibly reclaim the highs again. My goodness. It's choppy. Choppy PA. I mean, look at these wicks, chat. Look at these wicks. And once again, trying to go back up and claim the highs. Chat, this PA is so choppy and so bouncy. I'm not a huge fan of it. Like, we're trying to go higher, and we have been going higher, but it's just so choppy going to the upside that I'm not a huge fan. I really don't want to do anything until we take out London and see how we react off London. If we can even get up there. Nothing big on Bookmap. Yeah. I mean, it's just choppy. Like, there's not much. It's like market participants are just not existent today. Probably for good reason, though. One, NVIDIA earnings. Two, Trump. So it makes sense for it to be a little bit like choppy and price to be jumpy today. Now it's just unable to move up to that London high right now. Really want to see London go get taken. Trying to now. We got to get above 333. There it goes. There goes London. London just got taken. All right, let's see how we react now. If we can now, if we either get continuation up higher after taking London like that, or we come back down. So far, after sweeping it, we've come back below it. And rejecting it. We got about 17 minutes, 16 minutes until the initial balance is set. Then we can start looking at field auctions or anything off the IB. But right now, I want to see how London holds here. All right, trying to push higher here. John, I'm taking one short off a rejection of London high. Oh, wrong one. Wrong. Hang on, chat. Sorry. Let me go to the right monitor here. Let me get to the right change of the monitor. Go to this one, maybe. Wait. Is that it? Yeah, okay. There we go. All right. There you go. Stop just at the highs. It's probably be my one trade on this account and call it a day here. Green or red. Not really a fan of the PA. So if we get stopped out on this, we'll probably call it a day. I am trading minis on this account, on these accounts. Might get tapped here. Overall short, yeah, we're tapped. Okay. Overall short idea was just the fact that we swept London highs and we caught a lot of weakness out of it. But it's just so choppy that we're chopping back up. We're still green on the day on these accounts. But we'll probably call it a day there on these and just lock in the green. Call it a day. The whole fat finger on Tradify accounts just got me like I'm not in the right headspace to be to be trading, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you. But we're green on the day, so we'll take that and be good. Price is so jumpy and choppy. Like the moves are very jumpy. Faded me. That's okay. I really don't see a trend day happening, but we could. I mean, we very well could. I didn't really want to long up at IB high or London high, but something tells me we still get weakness and we come back below London high at some point. But I could be wrong. The point is when I'm right a lot larger than I'm wrong. Break here and retest the inner long. I just hopped out of a short. I was shorting London high off some weakness that looked like we were fixing to have, but we're still grinding higher. So we were stopped out on that trade. I might honestly just wait for initial balance to get set and then take the rest of my trades off initial balance if I do take any more trades. So at this point, I got about 10 minutes until initial balance is set, and then I'll take initial balance trades. I'm sure that argument goes over well with the wife. Does IB show on my screen? Yeah, what you're seeing here is this shaded area, IB low here and IB high. Now it's just actually kind of ripping here. We took London high. About 34 points higher. Never understood IB much. Just go watch the video I did on it. That'll probably help you. To put it like, to break it down my trading. So what I'm looking for on IB, I look for failed auctions where we actually break IB high or IB low. Like say IB high here, we break out of it and then fail and come back within it. And then I target a short about 50% of IB. That's usually what I target there. On breakouts, if we have strong momentum to the upside, we break out of the IB, we come back down, get a retest and hold it. Then I'll look for a long there. But yeah, I mean, it varies day to day for sure. Very much varies. Nah, it's trying to get strong on the day. And we actually have a pretty decent initial balance range. What is this? 189 to 373. So almost 200 points. It's not bad. Not bad at all. At this point, I'm definitely waiting for the initial balance to get set. Starting to take trades off it. A little bit of weakness coming through there. Trading 351. Got the high up at the IB. Initial balance high at 372. little bit of weakness up here now. Be interesting to see if we come back down to that London high. Looking at the higher time frame, makes sense to catch a little bit of weakness up here. Which at 360, which is what we said earlier. Those 360s. If we had broke London high, those 360s could be a little bit of area of resistance. That's what happened. All right, here we go. Coming back down below London high. Interesting sell here. That happened very quickly. Looks like Nvidia is trying to carry the market a little bit. Nvidia's up 3.5% before its earnings. That's interesting. Nvidia up 3.5% before earnings. Chat, we're getting some selling here. Coming back below London high. It's a trap. Might be. It might be. All right. Do we continue to reject London high, or are we going to rip straight back up? That's the question. So far, we're trying to stay above London high here. But with this weakness, it wouldn't be surprising to see us come back down. I mean, that was quite a bit of selling off the highs there. 372 down to 318. I mean, that was pretty heavy. Just under 60 points. Yeah, the market could also be very well waiting for Trump to come out and Trump and Elon to speak in the cabinet. That could very well happen. Could be the reason why price is so jumpy and choppy. All right, here we go, coming down. Coming down a lot. This is what I wanted, chat. This sell is what I wanted over here. We were just early. I had a feeling we would still come down below London high because it doesn't make sense to have a trend day today. If you think about all the things that are happening, one, we have Nvidia earnings at the close. We have Trump coming out later. It doesn't make sense to have a trend today. So the selling back below London high made all the sense in the world. I mean, think about it. Like we snapped Asia low here, we reversed out of it. We snapped London high up here, we reversed out of it. So it made sense for us to take London high and then reverse. And the selling pressure is continuing. Coming back below VWAP. Almost. Possibly trying to catch a bounce off VWAP. Would that be VWAP at 276? Snapped VWAP a little bit and popped out of it. Chat is so choppy, man. To be honest, I really don't feel. There are people spamming PW and Top Step Discord saying there will be a 100-point drop on NQ coming today. I see the experts are on top of things today. Bunch of freaking Warren Buffetts, bro. They're all Warren Buffetts. They're all his grandchildren. Everybody, all the professionals spamming there's going to be a 100-point drop today they're all Warren Buffett's grandchildren. They got insider info. Bunch of Warren Buffetts, bro. And look at this pop-off VWAP chat. This is why I just don't feel comfortable trading this, because of the PA is just, it's too sketchy. It's choppy. When it moves, it's moving big. So you get caught on the wrong side of it, and it's just detrimental. I'm playing very conservative. Wow, if I can talk. Very conservative today, given the nature of what's happening today. So very, very conservative. We're up about $600 in our Top Step X accounts. Initial balance is set, by the way. So it's initial balance is set. We have initial balance high at 372, and then initial balance low at 188. I mean, look at these candles. 5-minute candle, 342 down to 271. Then we bounce 281 all the way up to 325. These candles are insane. Yep, 372. And then 189 or 180, yeah, 189 ish. So yeah, Basically, the initial balance levels. Initial balance high, initial balance low. Initial balance high is the high a day. Initial balance low is the low a day. Now we'll see what happens from here. If we have an inside day or we actually get a break above and go to go higher than an IB high here. I would love to catch a just absolute banger failed auction, to be honest. If I get a break above IB high and if we fail it and come back down, I would love that. Absolutely love it. I was chopping around here. What time does Trump come out? Is it 10? Yeah, 10. So Trump and Musk come out at 10 o'clock. So here in about 25 minutes. Probably won't see much happen until then. So we might call it an early stream. Chat, don't forget we're doing a masterclass in Discord on marking levels and watching things just like I mentioned today this morning. Sweeping Asia low or London high, watching just key levels, right? So be sure to tune in that. You can check the event tab. It'll be on March 1st, this Saturday, 1, is it 1? I think it's 1 p.m. This Saturday. So if you want to tune in that, check the events tab in Discord. That's where it will be held. It's going to be a good one. Gonna be a good one. Well, buyers stepping back up here, taking us back to the highest almost. First ever top step 50K pass in 5 trading days. Let's go. GG's Webs. Nice. GG's. Activate and build that buffer next. Yep. Take it slow. Take it slow. It's a 50K account. It's a trade micros. Take it slow, man. You have all the time in the world. Market's not going anywhere. Markets will be here until the day we all pass on into the abyss. And look at that rejection. Chat, this is why I don't want to trade it. This is why I don't want to trade this today. There's too much happening. There's too much happening today with Trump and Elon and then NVIDIA earnings. I'd rather just wait till tomorrow. IB has been a big part of passing. Thanks. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm glad I could help. I know a lot of people use the initial balance strategy, and it seems to help people, so I'm glad that it contributed to your passing. I think we should do another masterclass on the initial balance, chat. What do y'all think? Should we do another one? I mean, we already did one. Should we do a second? Go over more examples, more trade types on the IB. I think so. I think that might be the masterclass after this one on Saturday. I think so. I still get a lot of questions around the IB too. I get a ton of questions around it. Also, I will say that there will be a available resource for you to go learn the initial balance. Again, I can't say where yet, but here in the next maybe month, there will be somewhere where you can actually go learn the initial balance again. All right, we're kind of just hanging out here. Nothing much happening. Chat, I think we're going to call it. I feel like I'm just watching paint dry right now. Mark's going to wait for Trump and Elon to come out. I really don't feel like I should be trading this. So I'm going to go ahead and call it there, fam. With that said, be sure to subscribe to the channel, get more of these live streams. If you want to trade with TradeFire, take profit, code JM. TradeFire is 30% off, straight funded. Take profits 50% off. With that said, guys, I'll be in Discord all day today. I want to see everybody blowing up the profits channel in Discord. If we can blow up the profits channel, I'll be happy.